empowering talaga yung series ng What Lies Beneath. And lately, meron tayong sa social media, lagi pinagbabatehan yung ang baba pa rin ng tingin sa mga kababaihan. Ano yung reaction nyo? Kasi di ba parang kung nabalitaan nyo na may isang politician na parang binastos, sabi daw yung isang artist na kagaya na.
Hindi sabi daw, nangyari.
Nangyari. So, bilang babae, ano yung reaction nyo na till now, ang baba pa rin ng tingin ng karamihan sa mga babae?
Yak. Oh, yak. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, nakakapikon, nakaka-frustrate na until now, may mga ganun pa din, lalo na grown up yung nagsabi and nasa posisyon, di ba? Sana mas educated pa yung mga tao kahit sa basic decency at respeto lang.
Hindi, tsaka huwag na tayong manindigan. Kapag sinabi na nga sa'yo na mali yung sinabi mo, pinanindigan mo pa rin. Diba? Parang matuto naman tayo maging
Accountable.
Maging accountable. Yun lang, siguro mahirap nang baguhin kung ano yung mga ano. Ang hirap din tanggapin na wala tayong magagawa dahil ganun sila mag-isip. Pero ang magagawa natin at pinakamagandang magagawa natin is turuan natin ang mas magandang asal yung mga susunod na generations. And huwag natin gawin at huwag natin gayahin yung alam natin hindi dapat. Let's not be like them.
Siguro to follow up na lang din on what I said about Alice, na parang it's not rude to get yourself out of situations that make you feel unsafe as a woman. In the first place, we shouldn't even feel unsafe.
Yeah.
Why do we have to feel unsafe in public spaces and public places? Hindi dapat ganun eh. So, ayun, dapat hindi natin hayaan, lalo na for the future generation, for it to stay that way. Ang dami pang kailangan ma-educate. Dapat hindi tayo ma-silence. And continue lang to speak up talaga about, lalo na with these issues recently, dapat hindi natin pinapalagpas talaga. Dapat tama lang na nag-iingay tayo about it.
Yeah, it's disappointing, it's frustrating, it's painful, and nakakagalit siya to think that may ganun pa pala. You know, there are some people that are still there. Like I said earlier when we answered the question, it's outdated, diba? And alam na natin lahat ng mali. But for me, what I love to see now though, and the bright side of everything is that I'm so glad to see more women speaking out now in support of each other. And I think that's so important and that needs to continue to happen. And conversations need to happen. I don't think we should feel shy about talking about it, just to avoid pissing people off. I feel like we need to have a conversation. We need to talk about it because it's still happening, and that's proof that it's still happening. And we still have a long, long way to go. There is still work to be done. But at least now, seeing women online supporting each other, there's hope and there's progress.